Welcome back, artists. In this video, I'm going to do a very simple line and wash painting of a monarch butterfly on a daisy. This is a gift for my friend Denise, who is an artist friend of mine. It's a vignette style going diagonally across the page. To save time, I did the initial sketch. I did it with my number 2 pencil, nothing special about it, and just sketched it out, erased the lines I didn't like and kept the ones I did. So let's get started here. I'll show you the inks that I have. I have the 4-color set of Winsor Newton, ultramarine blue. They call it purple. It's actually red in my opinion. Viridian green, a beautiful vibrant green, and then sunshine yellow. And finally, I'm going to use black India ink. Because I'm left-handed, I'm going to work from the right side to the upper left so that I don't drag my hand through the freshly inked areas. This is Viridian green, and I'm just using a simple bamboo stick that I cut off my tomato plant. Since I'm going to add watercolor to it, I'm just going to touch it a little bit here and there. These inks will help make the watercolor pop when I come back over it with the watercolor. Okay, now let's try the red. I'm going to leave this area pink, but the center area of the flower I'm going to make red. Now I'm going to add some ultramarine blue on the shadow side. I'm left-handed, so my light is coming from off the page at 10 o'clock. And I could use black, but I'm going to use black up on the butterfly, and I'm going to... Black can take over a painting if you're not careful. I sort of want to... Okay, now time for some black India ink. Okay, now I'm going to add some yellow ink. The wings of the monarch are sort of like a stained glass window. And this will help make the yellow paint pop a little bit. Okay, there's the inks. Now let's come back over this with some watercolors and make this pop. I'm going to start in the same direction like I did before. And I like painting loosely, so I'll paint outside the lines a little bit. Let the human eye sort of find the basic shape. And these Winsor Newton inks are sort of semi-water soluble. I'm going to make a pink daisy. Okay, let's add some red to the center area of the flower here. And again, I want to make this rather loose and open. So I'm going to let these colors run a little bit, and it doesn't bother me if they go outside the lines. It invites the human eye to complete the shape. Now, while I half dry, I'm going to scrape it a little bit. Okay, let's do the body of the butterfly a little bit, just a little. I'm going to use them a little bit of blue. All right, now the wings. All right, this is actually black on a butterfly, but I'm going to touch it with a little Prussian blue. White areas, I'm going to touch with a little bit of light blue. They should still read white when we're done. Okay, now to give it some context and a background, I'm going to put in a little bit of sky. And there we are, the finished piece. I'll let that dry, then I'll sign it, and I'll let Denise know about her painting here. Please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.